all did.
Oh, yeah, Jamie!
Hey, y'all. I'm Jamie Radley. I am a summer canvasser with Gulf Restoration Network. And full disclosure, I have only been a citizen of New Orleans, Louisiana for about a year. I have loved the city for a very, very long time, though. And this water is from my tap in the Holly Grove neighborhood, which flooded following Katrina and the massive levee failures in August 2005. And I'm just here to say that we need systems in place to ensure that that kind of flooding does not happen again. Number one, we need strong levees that are properly built and maintained. And our first line of defense is we need to stop the decimation and destructions of our coastal wetlands. Those are our first line of defense.